Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 20th, 2021. And we're going to talk about Micron today. We're going to give you all the price prediction in the market for Micron and see, can this price break above $90? Because if so, I mean, when you want to come in and buy the market right now so that you can grab the bag when it hits $90, well, welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News, to spot the location that you guys want to get a realistic price prediction without the confusion. Everyone else wants you to get real close to 4 or 5 stocks and really get to know their fundamentals and their analysis of technicals and really get intimate with these stocks. Well, it doesn't require all that, because when you do that, you are restricting your ability to get more opportunities in other markets. You need to understand that you need to have a way to have a faster way to see what these particular markets are trying to do. You guys can see that we haven't done a price prediction in Micron ever, right? Not on this particular channel. So for us to come in and look at the markets, right, and see if there's a play here, you can actually do a lot faster once you understand language analysis. So I definitely want to make sure those who are new, if you guys appreciate my videos and my content, then make sure you tap in, keep it locked in here, hit the like button, and also subscribe to our channel, because this is what we do. We're all about coming into markets, taking a quick look to see if there's a play here, because if so, then we want to participate. If there's not a play here, then we don't play. We move on to the next opportunity, and we don't have to become intimate with the financials of a company. We don't have to become intimate to what they have planned in the future. No, we pay attention to what people are already doing with the money. So let's talk about this real quick. We want to see whether or not this market in Micron can actually break above $90, because if so, then we need to be in position, right? So real quick, you can take a look at the chart already to Micron, that this particular stock, yes, it was, and I emphasize the word was, in a downtrend. Take a look at that. So all the way back here to the high to the market in Micron on April the 12th, April the 13th, price has been in a downtrend. Well, take a look at what happened since November. Beginning of November, here we are, 20th. The market broke that downtrend. So we're not expecting the price in Micron to go down. That's the first positive catalyst that we already noticed on the chart. The market doesn't want to go down right now. All right, we appreciate that information that it has already shown us, because we need it. So we got that out the way. So now we try to figure out, okay, cool, how strong is Micron then? Well, look at what happened on this last completed 3-day price bar. Look at what happened. The volume came through in the market in Micron, right? Look at this. We saw a decent amount of volume come in right here. And look at what the spread has done on that 3-day price bar volume. We saw price go up. Pretty good. So this again tells us that the market is trying to go somewhere in Micron. Okay, all right. We like what we have so far on the chart. This is the 5-day. Take a look. We are still seeing the strength being revealed on a 5-day time frame into the market in Micron. This is the weekly. Look at what happened over the last 3 weeks. You cannot tell me that the market is really trying to push this price higher in Micron. The last 3 weeks, look at this. Price has been going higher in price. It kind of looked like it's following the same path as Nvidia and AMD, albeit it's not that strong as those two markets. I will tell you that. But it's also participating, shall I say. Okay. All right, cool. I'm showing you all how strong this particular market is. Look at this, 2 weeks. So can we see price in Micron go above $90? That's the question. Because if so, that's 8.5% that we can eat off this play in Micron, which is fantastic, right? We need to allow that to happen. 8.5%. So given that that's the case, I like the fact that $76 in Micron needs to be main support for us to allow us to tag out above $90. We need to let the market trade above $76. Just that easy, just that simple. Here we are, 5 minutes into the video, and we're already noticing that there is an opportunity to play in the market in Micron. This is the 3 weeks time frame. All in all, this market is trying to go up. Plain and simple. This is what we're noticing on the chart in Micron. This market is trying to go up. Now, in the next 10 days and 4 hours, and let's say we do see the price in Micron on this monthly price bar close at the high, then yeah, $90 is not going to be a problem. The next area is going to be around 92, maybe even 96 in Micron. I mean, take a look at the spread that occurred on this monthly price bar right here, November 2nd, 2020. We probably got the same amount of spread on this current one, and look what the market price has done following November 2nd, 2020. So again, in the next 10 days, 4 hours, take a look at how we conclude, because if we end on a high, then definitely price in Micron is anticipated to shoot up in price, right? So let's try to determine what price levels can we actually see restriction, right? Because I don't want you all to think that it's a guaranteed price that we're going to hit $90. No, from where price last traded on Friday to us trying to hit $90, there are some points in between that there are sellers, right? That they're in the way and they're on the prowl already looking for the buyers so that they can sell to. And the first location is pretty much at 84. That's the first spot. Second area, I mean, not 84, it's going to be around 85.50. That's the first spot that we can see the sellers. So be prepared, because if the price drops at 85.50, that's 3%. You might need to take the bag there. Second area is around 88. It's about 5.63%. So we got 85.50, right? Second area is 88. Third area, like I said, ultimately right there around 90. Okay, now what we have here on the longer term time frame, okay, I want to show you all that from a long-term perspective, right? Currently, this market definitely looks to explode higher than $90 in the long term. I can see this happening on a longer term basis, right? But we still have a long term before these monthly price bars ends. But so far, I mean, in the next month or so, and we look the way that we look right now, yeah, $90 is not going to be an issue, right? Micron is going to go a lot higher than $90. But I don't want to put that out into the atmosphere just yet. Give me a next month or so, and we'll see how the price bar ends. Because if so, yeah, it's going to be a great run in the market for Micron. Okay. So now let me switch this back over to the daily, because we want to keep track of market price in Micron on a day-to-day basis. Let me go ahead and bring this in closer. And let's track this price movement in Micron over the next couple of weeks. You guys can see that earnings is coming up towards the ending of December. Be prepared for the volatility to increase on that day, because the trap likes to use those days as times to where he can move the market. It's not because of the information, it's because he attaches that to move the market price. That's it. He needs some way to justify increased volatility, and a lot of people don't realize that he uses the earning releases to do just that. So this is it. Yeah, I'm looking for the price to go up in Micron. I'm looking for it to go up towards $90, but in between where price last traded to where we're looking for the market to go, $85.50, $88 will be also areas that we need to be prepared to eat out the market. And that's it. I'm done. Everyone else tries to come in, wants you to analyze, do your due diligence, look at charts for the like 15, 13 hours. They want you to look at the financials, look at everything else, do your due diligence when it doesn't require all of that. Here we are. This is what we're looking forward to into the market in Micron. Now I want you all to hit me up. Tell me where do you all think the price is going to go in Micron with a simplicity. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.